Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the RAMP library on Windows 10. So RAMP is a machine learning library. It is rapid machine learning prototyping. So to install any library on Python we need pip. So at first we will download and install Python and pip. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages. So let us first install Python and pip. Let's begin. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. On Google type Python. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website, python.org. So whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the current version will be visible. Here it is. Here it is, Python 3.10.5. Click on it to download. Now the download started. You need to wait for a few seconds. It's only 27 MB. We have downloaded the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So the setup started. At first add Python 3.10 to path. Now I'll click on customize installation so that we can understand what all we are installing. So I'll click on customize installation. Here are the optional features available. We will also install pip and IDLE. Pip is used to install and manage Python packages, and IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click on next. Now you can see advanced option. You can click on install for all users. Rest keep as it is. On selecting, you can see it has shown us the path where in Python will get installed. We will see this later. If you want to change the location of installation, click on browse, but keep the default, it's fine. Click on install. Now the installation started. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully installed Python. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Now let us go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. After opening the command prompt, let us verify the installation of Python. Python space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, the current version. Now let us also verify the pip installation. Pip space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, we installed pip also. Now let us install the RAMP library. As I told you that we need pip to install any Python packages, we will be using pip command space install and then the library name, that's it. That is RAMP, and press enter. This will first download the packages and then it will install it from the internet. So guys, as you can see here, we successfully installed RAMP. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the RAMP module on Python Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video.